This is the pound dollar, and we have a triangle that's set up here on the 15. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the high time frame analysis. There is a potential that this could just be a low and tight flag. Quite a few of these around today because of the way the markets are moving. But basically here on the dailies we've been coming lower, and we are down into the structure level just here, which we can see better on the 240. Put a structure level in and you can see that we're trading within this zone. Let's go and take a look at the 60. Not a great deal here, to be honest. Make the case that we have an AB equals CD pattern a little bit lower. Along with that AB equals CD pattern, then we may have more confirmation that we're going lower rather than going higher as a result of it. And that would mean that that AB equals CD pattern would come into our structure lows here, a very nice place to look for a double bottom and a chance to get long. The RSI is oversold here at 10, however we're not down at the level that I would anticipate us reaching as yet. Let's go and take a look at the 15, and we're looking for a saw thumb move like this. We're looking for a directional move, and then we're looking at the market adhering to this lower level. And if this is a low and tight flag, we're looking at it coming up for another test. If it isn't and it's a triangle, then we already have our entry, and just here on the 5, this is how it would look for the triangle. So I am going to go back to the 15. I think this is where the pattern is on. Either of these patterns we're looking for 4 touches, 1, 2, 3, and we've already had the touch for the triangle. Whether or not this is a low and tight flag, we'll have to wait and see. But what I can do is allow for it to be a low and tight flag. So just here is our highs, and I've gone 5 pips above that level. And I am then looking for a 127 extension, and you can see that that 127 extension is coming in there, just below our AB equals CD pattern, and also within our structure level here. So not a bad opportunity. The problem is that sometimes when you get the consolidation as tight as it is here, while the pattern is still valid, I can't tell if it's a low and tight flag or a triangle. It could be either. So I've allowed for both here. So in terms of the risk then, looking at 15 for a reward of 23. And we're back for the final update, and as you can see, price has now rallied down to hit there for 23 pips. It was a triangle, and guys, this just comes from a little bit of experience of through just spending an awful long time looking at these patterns and looking how to trade them, and realizing or noticing that when we have tight consolidation like this, it can be one or the other, particularly on the lower time frame this happens. And so when it happens, I entered in at market because it could have been a triangle, and I allowed for it to be a low and tight flag as well. So and in this instance it came off for a lovely 23 pips.